Right. Okay. Yeah. So let us take a data set first of all. Okay. Okay, now in this data set, this is a crypto data. This one I got a sample data. This one, okay. So when you will go to the data set, okay, there is name. Different types of cryptocurrency is there, okay, and its symbol. What was its high, low, corresponding dates? What was its opening value, close value, volume, market capital, and everything is given over here. Okay, if we are making a simple horizontal bar chart out of it regarding high or market cap, we can take market cap. Okay, so this is the particular thing. By default, actually, when we will move our cursor over there, we can see something in black color is coming. This is called actually the tooltip. Okay. And here, if you want to change the number, whatever the value, big value is coming, right? And if you want to change the value, units of it, so corresponding to that, you should go to x-axis, and there in values, in display units, you can take thousands. Okay. Now when you will move x-axis, yeah, it is displayed in thousands right now. Okay. And if you want to increase the units much more, like in millions, okay, now it is shown in millions. Like that, whatever display units you want, you can change accordingly. Okay. So I'm taking the auto only. So now it is in trillions. Okay. Okay, here by default tooltip is there. If we want to increase something over there, that also is possible. Okay, for that go to here in general tooltip option is there. Okay, and here you can put some tooltip. Okay, some extra tooltip if you want. Go to a new page. Okay, and this particular page you should convert it into a tooltip form. Right. So for that, you should go to the canvas setting. Okay. Here canvas setting is there. And in this particular setting, when you will click over it, you will get a tooltip option. Okay. Now it became the tooltip. And actually you have to give some name to this particular page. I will give the name as TT. Okay. And I will make some more graph over here. Okay. For example, I'm taking a pie chart. Right. And if I am actually putting something else over here, like with respect to name, if I want high value, okay. So like this. So this is our TT. Now, if we want to apply this thing over here, like in tooltip, if a particular graph should come. So in order to get that particular thing, what should you do is you again go to tooltip. Okay. Here. First of all, you should, after making the tooltip and all, you should take the main page wherever your visual is there. Okay. Then you have to choose the visual, and in visual, you have to go to format And in format, actually, there are two options are there, visual and general. Go to this general option. There you can find tooltips is there. Okay. Just click over it, right? And in this particular thing, you have to make a tooltip over there. Okay. So here, actually, it will show you auto or TT. This is the tooltip that we want over this particular bars. So we will take TT over here. Okay. Now, when you will go over there, you can see different images, right? So earlier, when auto was there, simply this thing was coming, right? And when we are taking this particular tooltip page, this particular page, instead of this, you can make any other graph also. You can put multiple graph also over here. Okay. So here, instead of name, you can put something else also if you want to check out volume and high. Okay. It's not a good graph. Anything else also you can take. Okay. This, I will take the same name and high only. Wait a second. Sorry, there was a call. So whatever we are putting over here, like not only one figure on itself, you can put many other images also. Okay, like I can take a donut chart. Uh, Sorry for that. I changed that image entirely. Okay. If you want to remove this legend, it's also can be done. You have to go to simply go to format, and in this legend you can make it off. So here you can see the entire thing. Okay. And if you want something else also over here, if you want to put some cards or any other visual, okay. Like for suppose if you want to take some card, okay, regarding high, and regarding glue and other things also, if you want to make some cards and all, that also can be done. Like I'm taking another card. Okay. This one I will take as low, right? And if you want something else also, like volume, if you want, okay, then one more, I will leave it because it will make things really worse. So okay. Wait a second. Okay, this one is enough. And if you want to project these two things in this particular page, okay, right now the tooltip what is coming is simply the default tooltip. And if you want this particular tooltip over here, what you have to do in the main page, whichever visual you want that tooltip, okay, select that tool particular visual, go to format, and here in general, go to the tooltip, and there in page, you have to choose that tooltip. Okay. Now when you are moving your cursor over there, you can see. This is only a graph showing a particular cryptocurrency with respect to market capital. And if you want to see its high and low, you can do like this. Is it clear to all of you that how to use tooltip? You can put different types of images also over there. Whatever visual you want, you can put over there. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Is it possible to place the page 1 in the tooltip, ma'am?
Page 1 in the tooltip. Yeah, whatever page you want, you can put it as tooltip. But first of all, you should mention it as tooltip. Then only it will appear in the tooltip option. Like this page, when I went to this format in the canvas setting, I have made it as tooltip. Then only I will be able to use it as tooltip. Page 1 is not coming over here because it is general page only. It's not a tooltip. If you want that page to be as tooltip, then you have to convert that into tooltip over here. Right? Is it clear, everyone? But since tooltip is the thing that is showing you a small concept out of it, so it is not possible to show the entire page as a tooltip. Because whenever you are making anything as tooltip, I'm taking another thing. Okay, when I am choosing tooltip option, there itself its dimension is very small. So incorporating lot of thing will be somewhat very difficult. You have to change lot of things over there. Like I can make many cards over there, but in that case, I have to do lot of formatting. Okay. Like whatever fonts are there, I have to make them small so that they all are, they all appear over there. Like this card is there. Okay. Now, when I'm putting date over here, date is not necessary. Like I can take open and close. Okay. I'm putting this open over there. Now the font size is very big. I have to manage it. Then only I will be able to incorporate more things over there. Okay, like in case of call out value, I have to decrease it like this. Okay. And if I am now, like if you want to put some more things like a donut chart, if you want to put, and with respect to name and with respect to volume. Okay, that is possible, but you have to somewhat take care of the size of those things. Then only you will be able to incorporate within this range. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
size is there, you have to just take care of that thing. Okay, here legend is not required. You can make it off also. Okay, and that's it.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, what's the benefit of using the tooltip? Like, in what cases do we generally use it?
Simply to get more information out of the image. See, this is a dynamic kind of page. Not a simple PDF. When you will open the PBIX file, it's a kind of dynamic thing. And if you want to get some, get some idea regarding the regarding a single bar chart also, if you get want to extract more information out of it, in that case you will use this tooltip. See, when the default tooltip was there, okay, regarding this image, when the like in general, in tooltip, TT is there. Okay. When I'm taking auto, then default tooltip is appearing. That is showing only the market capital as well as Bitcoin. We can get this information from the image itself. No need to use this tooltip, right? Like we can put the data label on. Okay. We can put this data label on, then it's automatically showing the value. No need of this tooltip. And if you want more information out of it, then you can put a tooltip. that time it will be helpful. That default tooltip is not that helpful because it is showing the same information that is displayed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you will take page 3, okay, now when you will move it over there, you can see extra information like what is the opening value and what is the volume. Those two things are coming, right? Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am, got it. Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yeah. Okay, so this was regarding the tooltip. And see, if you are having lot of things in your dashboard and you don't want anyone to access it or alter it, you don't want anyone to disturb your entire thing that you have made. Okay, for example, I will make some images right now. And just in order to make a dashboard, not a dashboard, a rough dashboard. Okay, I will put it in name and this
Hello, ma'am.
close I will put over there. Okay, like that I am making some dashboard. Yes,
Ma'am, tooltip, will it work on? Will it work in PDF form?
it will not work because PDF is a static thing. No? It's not a
Yes, ma'am.
kind of dynamic thing. Yeah, that's why it will not work over there.
Ma'am, so why we are using tooltip? Because
This
sometimes we
whatever
sometimes we
projects
will
you are submitting to me, that is the basic things only. Whenever you are
okay.
entering an industry or an organization, that time it will be helpful for you.
Okay.
Not for our I mean, you can add some tooltip also if you want, but while evaluating, I mean, a lot of students are there, na? So it would not be practical for me to evaluate it dynamically, but
Yes, ma'am.
it will be helpful for you when you will enter an organization.
Okay, ma'am. Please some tips regarding background color, how to use. I know
Background
how
color,
to use background color,
basically,
but
background color, you can take yellow, white, and black. That would look good.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, like when I'm clicking outside it and when I'm going over there, okay, in canvas setting, no, sorry, not in
No.
canvas background, you can make put some colors, right? Like black color if I'm putting, and I have to change this transparency also.
Transparency 0.
Now this black color is coming. So majority of people will be using black, white, and yellow color as background. Okay, you can put some images also if you want. Like I will show you. Like we can download some image, right? Some background images. Okay, if you don't like the plain one, you can download some background images.
Okay.
Background crypto we will take. Okay, like this image. If you are if you want this image, or there is one more website where you can get images that is free of cost and like free pick, I guess. Free pick, yes. Here you can get free images that are not having any copyright. Here you have to write free, then it will show you all the free images. Okay.
Okay.
So these are some background images. Okay. Whichever background image I mean, is okay for you, you can choose that image and you can put it in the background also. Okay.
Okay.
Like, for example, if this one is okay for us or any other, like this one, okay, this one. Let us see whether we can download it. Yes, it is there. We can download it. It's taking some time. Okay, now it is there in the background, sorry, in the download. So instead of this color itself, we can put some images, like go to browse and in downloads. this particular image I am choosing. Okay, now it has appeared as background, right?
Yes.
Like this, you can put whatever things you want. Okay,
Okay.
just put fit over there. Okay, then it will fit the entire thing. Earlier, what was happening, it was just randomly arranged. Okay,
Yes,
a
normally.
part of it was there. If the image is very small, then it will just look like this only. It will not cover the entire page. So for that, you should go to
We have to
this
fit.
image fit and take fit. Now it is completely getting fitted over there. Okay, this is how you can do it. And in case of this visual also, you can make some
General
changes. Yeah. In general,
and
you
effect.
can actually go to put some effect
Effect.
also. Like background is on. Okay, you can make it off also, so that it will look like. I mean, it is there in the background. I mean, it is a part of it. It will look like this, right?
Okay.
And if you want a border over there, okay, go to this format and here in general, yes, in general, in effect, there is
Effect.
visual border available. And if you want to put some color, like some color which is familiar to it, like some gray color I can take, okay, and I will put some shadow also.
Some shadow like
So it will look like this, like it is projecting outside, right?
yes.
And here, first of all, I will choose the thing, and here in
Now it look
general,
good.
like that you can do beautification whatever you want. Okay, and in effect itself, I think, yeah, in visual borders, we can make some
And
rounded
round.
corner. Yeah, rounded corner. That will look more good, like this.
Yes.
Like this, you can do some formatting by yourself. Okay.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Yesterday I tried like this, but I did not.
You can change the language if you're feeling difficulty. Hindi okay?
Okay. Yes, yes, okay.
Yeah.
बस
आपको
इस
जो
तरह
बोलना
ट्राई
है
कर
हाँ, आपने
हुआ
कुछ
नहीं
कौन सा ट्राई किया आपने?
यही बैकग्राउंड
यही
वाला
वाला, ओके। आप एक बार फिर से ट्राई करके देखो। ओके,
मैम I already sent you you can check it how to make मतलब
ओके,
कैसा बना है
ओके, ओके, no problem. I will check that after the class. Okay, so this
Okay.
is how you can make some beautification and all in the dashboard, right? And whatever you can put whatever effects you want. You have to just explore this option, like general, lot of things are there in. Okay, so you can just go through them. Okay, in case of shadow also, if you want to get some other shadow color,
other color
like if you want this shadow color, now the effect is different. Okay, when you are putting that gray color, then the effect was comparatively good. So you have to check which one is working better. Okay. So this is how you can do some beautification and all. And if you don't want any other person to actually alter the things, okay, so in that case you have to go to view, and in this view actually there is an option called lock objects. When you will lock it and when you will try to move it, you are not you can't move it here and there. Okay, so this is how you can actually lock the things over there. And when you will unlock it, and now when you will just drag it, now it is okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we like restrict this for selective people?
Yeah, it may when you will share the particular link that is in Power BI service, then it is
Okay.
possible. But
Okay.
when you will share the PVX file, it will be as it is available to the person. So in that
Okay.
case, they can alter. Okay, so that is how you can actually do these things. And if you want, see, earlier I have told you that you have to put some buttons and all, and I was just copying those buttons, right? Instead of that, there is a shortcut also. Okay, for that, go to insert. Okay, if you want some buttons, that too in all pages. I mean, suppose this is the main page, and if you want buttons corresponding to other pages also in this particular page, so there is an option called page navigator. And in this page navigator, when you will click this one, okay, now it is showing you page 1 and page 2. Other two pages are tooltip, na? That's why it is not showing. But when you will add one more page, and when you will go over there, that one is also got added. Okay, when you will press Control and select this one, it is moving to that particular page. Right? Is it clear, everyone? What is the shortcut of
Yes, ma'am.
making page navigator? Agnish, Anjanesh, please mute your audio. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so that was the shortcut for page navigator. Now I'm going to tell you one more thing. Okay. In case of cards also, yeah, that one I forgot to tell you. Like in case of cards, also you can put some conditional formatting. Okay, we will try that later.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we use watermark option also in Power BI? Like some kind of page, some kind of logo and in the background, like a watermark.
You can change the transparency, I guess, and in that way you can use it. Let us try that one too. Wait a second. Let us take any of the logo, right? I have not tried it yet. Let us try it together. Okay. Yeah, here the option of transparency is there, right? Title, it is not coming. I don't know what is happening to it. Transparency, that is the issue. It is somewhat looking like a, it's somewhat looking like a watermark, right? In light color, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In that, by using this transparency, we can actually make it blur and use it as a watermark. But in all pages, it needed to be incorporated. Yeah, this is one way of doing it. Okay, so now that one is done, and if you're having many cards in your like dashboard, for example, where we had some cards in page 2, right? We'll make some cards right now.